What's up there, sports car world? Cody here again with Card Attractions. It's Monday afternoon and we are ripping. Got some 2020 NFL Prestige. And we are going to go ahead and rip into these boxes. Gotta grab my scissors real quick. Let's see here. Got 3 blasters, so there's one box. Kind of wish I could find a hobby box of these. In a matter of time, I will. Alright, here we go, guys. So this is it. If you're just now viewing the channel for the first time and you have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that. Turn on your bell's notifications because I always ripping. Always ripping. Always give stuff away. Make sure everybody partakes in that so that way they can get the free cards that they want. So a lot of good stuff going on, guys. Let's tilt it down a little bit. We got Saquon Barkley to start us off. Terry McLaurin. Duke Johnson Jr. Drew Lock. Deshaun Jackson. Kenya Drake. Shaquille Barrett. Powerhouse. And Chase Young for our rookie. All right. Start of a new week. Can't wait till Thursday when the stores get cards. Derek Carr. Adam Thielen. Mark Ingram. Nick Mullins. Tyreek Hill. Joe Mixon. Extra points. And Ben DiNucci. Rookie. All right. Looking for some big cards here. We got Le'Veon Bell, Shaquem Griffin, Curtis Samuel, Chris Godwin, Dexter Lawrence, Harrison Butker. We got a really nice Jared Goff there. And our rookie is Gabriel Davis. First one of those I've got. Jordan Akins, Max Crosby, Daniel Jones. We got Akins. We got Michael Gallup. Noah Fant. And we got a Raheem Monster. Extra point powerhouse, nice. And Derek Brown for our rookie. All right, let's see. We're looking for the good cards. Where they at? All right. Jamal Adams, Alvin Kamara, Aaron Jones, Lane Johnson, Devin White, Dante Pettis, Lamar Jackson. About 4 of them now. And Patrick Queen for our rookie. Lamar Miller, Darren Waller, Kyle Rudolph, Sammy Watkins, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Dante Hall. It's a nice card there. Old school. And then we got Jeff Gladney for our rookie. All right, we got something in this pack here. You can feel the thickness. So, let's see what it is. Noah Fant, Lane Johnson, Devin White, Dante Pettis, Sammy Watkins, and it's a Sam Darnold. Oh, this is Green Stars of the NFL. Very nice. And it's number 35 of 50. Right there in the bottom left corner. So, very nice card there. Hang on to that one. We got Aaron Donald, Prestigious Pros, and Albert for our rookie. All right, last packs here, and we'll get into the next row. Marquise Brown to start us off with. Jamison Crowder. Chris Carson. Evan Ingram. Tyrod Taylor. Khalil Mack. And Robert Woods extra points. And Cole McDonald for our rookie. Start us off, we got Drew Brees, Devontae Adams, Minkah Fitzpatrick, Brian Murphy, Fred Warner, Travis Kelce. Hey, there's an air card. Matthew Stafford, Prestigious Pros. Might be some more airs coming. Devin Duvernay. And that's going to be our rookie. All right. Start on this next row here. Keelan Doss. Daniel Hunter, Lamar Jackson, nice. Robert Foster, Zeke Elliott, Greedy Williams, Larry Fitzgerald, extra points, and Ross Blacklock. It's actually the first one of his rookies I got too, so that's nice. All right, we got Sam Darnold. I think I'm gonna need to lower this little hair here because I keep having issues. So let's try this. There we go, Sam Darnold. Jaron Brown. Ryan Tannehill. Juan Thornhill. Williams. Lawrence. Another air card. It's a Chris Godwin. So we're back to the air cards again. It's crazy. All right, and then Jerry Jeudy. Very nice for our rookie. Two air cards and still half packs to go. Wow. Jalen Ramsey, Josh Allen, Michael Thomas, Von Miller, Alshon Jeffrey, Patrick Peterson, Kenny Galladay inside the numbers, extra points. Very nice. And then we got Antonio Winfield Jr. First one of him I got too. That's our rookie. Aaron Rodgers, Cameron Hayward, Stephen Gilmore, Deebo Samuel, nice. No Patty Mahomes again. I wish they'd give me a different one. I think I got about 10 of these already. Feels like. Jermaine Pratt. Another air card, powerhouse. No information on the card. Who is it? It's a Chris Carson. None of the information on there. Nice. Then we got Dalton Keeney, maybe? That's our rookie. Eric Kendricks, Gus Edwards, Ty Montgomery, Vander Esch, Golden Tate, Darwin Thompson. Really nice. Mecole Hardman Jr. Impressions. And LaMichael Perrine for our rookie. Alright. 2 more packs left. Finish up this row. Looks like our hit's going to be in this pack right here. Sony Michel, Corey Davis, Aaron Donald, Ryan Finley, Jalen Smith, and we got Drew Pearson, Gridiron Heritage. Very nice. Dallas Cowboys. There you go. Ortiz, you like that? I know you do. Alright, we got another air card here. No name again. Melvin Gordon. Melvin Gordon the third. So, no name, none of the inserts up here. That's 4 air cards already. So, the rate we're going, we might actually beat our last records. And we got a Jalen Hurts rookie card there. Alright. Got Leonard Fournette, Jaquan Smith, Scantling, Drew Lock, Deshaun Jackson, Kenny Drake, Lamar Jackson, extra points. Very nice. And Motos. Alright, guys. Let's get into this last blaster here. First hits in the first pack. I can feel it. At least it feels like it. Jalen Ramsey, Josh Allen, Michael Thomas, Carson Wentz, Brian Murphy, Fred Warner. Nope, nothing in this one. I thought there was. Jared Goff again. And Jacob Eason for our rookie. Should have felt thicker, but yeah. Aaron Rodgers, Cameron Hayward again, Stephen Gilmore, Travis Kelce, Robert Foster, Zeke Elliott. Very nice Joe Mixon, extra points. Okay, so see, it has his name right there and worldwide right here, and then the prestige up here. See, and the other one doesn't have all that info in it. So that's the difference. Very nice. And then we got Van Jefferson for our rookie. Maybe. Been having issues with my phone. I broke it, so it's not the greatest right now. And I just bought it. That's what's sad. But it happens. Life goes on. Eric Kendricks. Gus Edwards. Ty Montgomery. Greet Williams. Juan Thornhill. Williams. Another Lamar Jackson inside the numbers. Must be a very popular card in this set. And Grant Delpit for our rookie. All right. Let's see what we get out of here. And start off with Sony Michel. There's another card that comes up a lot. Corey Davis, Aaron Donald, DeMarcus Lawrence, Von Miller, Alshon Jeffrey. Hey, George Kittle, very nice. Heroes card there. I really like these hero cards. Quite a few of them now. And then our last guy, we got T. Higgins, another nice rookie. All right. Down to the last 4 packs, guys. This is definitely the relics in this one right here. I could have swore it was in that first pack, but that's crazy. But it is in here. Yep. All right, we got Leonard Fournette, Tre'Quan Smith, Patrick Peterson, Deebo Samuel. And we got a Gridiron Heritage, Devin Hester. It's got like a little piece of blue. There we go. So very nice. We got Aaron Donald and Jonathan Taylor for our rookie. All right, last 3 packs left. Looks like we've only gotten. Oh, yeah, we got all 3 of them. New ones over there. I'd rather have an auto out of here, but can't always pick what you get. All right, let's see. Last few packs here. We got Ben Roethlisberger, Jared Stidham, another Patrick Mahomes. Jermaine Pratt, Vander Esch, Daniel Hunter, extra points, and Darrell Taylor for our rookie. Last 2 packs, guys. If you guys got any comments, leave them in the box. I do appreciate it, and I do read those. If you guys are new to the channel and haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so. I do appreciate it. Start us off here. We have Justice Hill, Alejandro Villanueva, James Devlin. We got a Golden Tate, Darwin Thompson, Ryan Finley, Michael Thomas, highlight reel. Very nice. And then we got DeAndre Swift for our rookie. So this is it, guys. Last pack here. Hope you guys enjoy watching the show. I do got a few more rips later on today to do. It's going to be some baseball, though. We got A.J. Brown, Cooper Kupp, DJ Chalk Jr., Jalen Smith, Drew Lock, Deshaun Jackson, Uchenna Wusu. Can't really say that guy's name. Extra point card, though. And then we got a Marlon Davidson for our rookie. So that is it, guys. It does complete our break today. Raymond, I sat some cards for you to the side because I know you said you was interested in Cowboy cards. So I did set all these to the side here for you. I will get all my Cowboy cards put together. I got a lot. Like I said, they got day all the way back to the 90s. All right, and then we got this really nice George Kittle Heroes card. Like I said, I really like these cards. They're super nice. Then we got this Impressions Mecole Hardman Jr. Very nice card there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, these are all air cards. We got Kevin Gordon here. We got Chris Carson, Powerhouse. We got Chris Godwin. And we got Matthew Stafford for the 4 air cards again. Then we got this Devin Hester Gridiron Heritage relic, and this really nice Stars of the NFL Sam Darnold, number 35 of 50. Very nice card there. And of course, got a couple more Patty Mahomes and a bunch more rookies. So if you guys got any comments, leave them in the box. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the show. Stay tuned. I will be back later with some baseball and keep on ripping. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.